there, tech fans! Welcome back to Tech Time Reviews. Today, I'm excited to review the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is the latest and greatest smartphone from Apple. As a longtime iPhone user, I was eagerly anticipating the release of this phone, and I have to say, I'm thoroughly impressed. Let's dive in and take a closer look. First off, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 12 series features a new angular design that's reminiscent of the iPhone 4. The flat edges make the phone easier to grip, and the aerospace-grade aluminum edges provide a nice contrast to the glass back. The new ceramic shield front cover also makes the phone more durable, and according to Apple, it's 4 times more resistant to drops than previous models. Overall, I really love the new design. Moving on to the display, the iPhone 12 Pro Max features a Super Retina XDR display with HDR support. The OLED panel provides deep blacks and vibrant colors, and the HDR support means that images and videos look more lifelike than ever. The 6.7-inch display is also one of the largest screens you can get on a smartphone, which makes it great for watching movies or playing games. Now, let's talk about the camera system. The iPhone 12 Pro Max features a triple camera system with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The improved night mode is a game changer, producing bright, clear, and detailed photos even in low-light situations. The Deep Fusion and Smart HDR3 features also help to improve image quality, producing more detail and better contrast in photos. And for those who enjoy videography, the iPhone 12 series includes a new feature called Dolby Vision HDR, which allows for higher quality video footage. Under the hood, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A14 Bionic chip, which is the fastest chip ever used in a smartphone. The fact that it has a 16-core neural engine means that the phone can perform up to 11 trillion operations per second, which is incredible. And with 5G connectivity, you can download and stream content at lightning-fast speeds. Overall, I have to say that the iPhone 12 Pro Max is an amazing phone. The design is sleek and modern, the display is stunning, the camera system is top-notch, and the performance is lightning-fast. Of course, it's also quite expensive, so it's not for everyone. But if you're someone who wants the latest and greatest technology, then the iPhone 12 Pro Max is definitely worth considering. Thanks for joining me on this review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max overall. I think this phone is a great choice for anyone who wants a top-of-the-line smartphone with all the latest features. From the sleek design to the stunning display and powerful performance, this phone has it all. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that the iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with a hefty price tag. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to consider some of the more affordable options in the iPhone 12 lineup or even the previous generation models. Another consideration is the phone size and weight. With a 6.7-inch display and a weight of 226 grams, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is one of the largest and heaviest phones on the market. This might not be a problem for everyone, but it's worth considering if you prefer a smaller, more lightweight phone. Overall, I highly recommend the iPhone 12 Pro Max for anyone who wants a premium smartphone experience. It's packed with features and capabilities that are sure to impress even the most tech-savvy users, and it's a great investment in your digital life. Thank you for joining me in this review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and following us on social media for more tech reviews and news. Lastly, if you are interested in purchasing the iPhone 12 Pro Max, I suggest doing some research and comparing prices and features across various online retailers. Once you have made an informed decision, you can use the description link to find the iPhone 12 Pro Max on your preferred online retailer's website. We have provided a link to Amazon, which is a trusted and reliable seller. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in our next review.